SERV stock analysis next to Friday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video. So with SERV Robotics, the way that I'm looking at this market is I want to see the price still take, you know, prices higher. Yeah, but the way that I would approach it is I'm waiting. I mean, it's 99% of the game with trading is waiting, you know, it's even more, because why would you be a part of anything else, like, if the price is not giving you the rules and if it doesn't make sense to get in, you know? You're just dumb. You're just putting like unnecessary pressure on yourself. But with SERV, if the price gives me this double break, a Wyckoff accumulation that I always talk about, that only then I'm taking it higher. So like a lower time frame double break, that's what I call it as well. I mean, just for context, all I'm using is the strategy that's previously given me all these 1,000 square predictions, and I'm telling you all this because it is the truth. I never documented everything. So now what I'll do is still wait, not try and force stuff. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photo link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. All reviews are 5 stars. Goodbye and enjoy.